Import the cutting file and delete the unnecessary parts. And we move the right side parts to the left side. And we will enlarge the size to make it twice bigger than the original one. And now we choose one letter to check the size. The letter is 5.09 by 4.09 millimeters, and this is the letter A. Now we send this cutting file to the machine. We turn on the vacuum and make sure the material is fixed well and do the positioning work. Set the 0 point and check the working area and start the cutting. Let's check the cutting quality. Peel out the letter A and let's paste it on the A4 paper. Contact me to know more.